Be honest. If you have a tablet, you're probably only using it a couple of hours a day at most. More likely than not, you're just leaving it lying somewhere unused. Well, Lenovo has a solution to that. It's the Lenovo Smart Tab, a 2-in-1 tablet that is both a full Android tablet as well as an Amazon Smart Display when docked into a speaker. It comes with Alexa Show mode on board and gives it a very Echo Show-like experience. In fact, it looks and feels almost identical to an Amazon Echo Show. To be clear, it's still very much a tablet-first device. It just comes with the bonus of having the Echo Show functionality. The other benefit of having this specialized speaker dock is that it has wonderful sound quality, and it has far-field microphones so that it picks up sound from across the room. Plus, of course, the dock charges the tablet at the same time. With the Lenovo Smart Tab, you're buying the tablet and the dock in a single package. There is no extra charge for the dock. One of the cool things you can do with the Lenovo Smart Tab is that when you're watching a movie on Netflix, YouTube, or Amazon Prime Video in tablet mode, and you just simply dock it into the speaker dock, the movie will continue seamlessly. There are a couple of caveats, however. At launch, the Lenovo Smart Tab will not come with Amazon's communications suite, which means you won't be able to make calls with it. Also, it won't come with certain specialized features like Hulu Live TV because that's very special to the Echo Show. Aside from that, the Lenovo Smart Tab is a beautiful device. It comes in both M10 and P10 varieties. The M10 is the more entry-level model with a soft touch finish, and the P10 is the more high-end model with a glass finish on both sides. Both versions have a beautiful 10.1-inch Full HD display. They both run Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 as well. There are a few other differences between the two different tablets. The M10 has 2 front-facing Dolby Atmos speakers, while the P10 has 4. One has a better camera than the other. The M10 has a 5-megapixel camera on the back, while the P10 has an 8-megapixel camera on the back. So there are definitely those differences. But when they're both docked in the speaker, they both look the same, and they both sound the same too. The Lenovo Smart Tab M10 is only $199, while the Lenovo Smart Tab P10 is $299. They're both expected to come out later this spring. For more on this Lenovo Smart Tab and others, please head to Engadget.com.